Simple Solutions book. You're going to open to the first lesson. It's on page 2. You'll know it's correct because you'll see the kids, boy and the girl, running into their dad's arms. Again, it's on page 2. The lesson is on communities. A community is another name for a group of people. A school is a community, and a family is a community. A football team, a girls' club, and a church group are all communities. Remember, we talked about how our classrooms are communities, our school, and the 3rd grade are all kinds of communities. The people in a community usually have something in common. They might all live in the same neighborhood. Each community has something that makes it different from another community. A person can be part of many different communities. For example, a 3rd grader may belong to a school class, a family, a sports team, and an after-school club. That's 4 different kinds of communities. Now that we've read our reading selection, we're going to answer questions. You're going to find the answers to many of them in this reading selection. Number 1, underline the definition of community in the selection. So you're going to go back up here, find the word community, and underline where it says what a community is. If you need to stop this video to look for it, or if you need to rewind so that you can listen to it again, do that now. And then up here, find the word community and underline where it says what a community is. Number 2, what is the main idea of the selection? So the main idea of this. Now there are 3 answers. All of them are true. We're not looking for the thing that is true. We're looking for the one that tells what this reading selection is all about. All right. A community is another name for a group of people who have something in common. B, every student is part of a school community. Or C, a community in America is different from a community in China. Again, all 3 of those are true, but only one of those tells what the whole reading selection is about. If you're not sure, listen to the reading selection again, and then circle either A, B, or C. Number 3, you're going to circle either true or false. The word community means almost the same as a group of people. You'll find that up here. Is that true or is that false? Numbers 4 and 5, you're going to write the answers on these lines. You do not have to spell them correctly. Do the best that you can. Number 4A, you're going to write the answer on this line. Write the name of your school on this line. Pause the video so you can write the school name here. B. Write the name of your homeroom teacher on this line. Pause the video while you write her name. Again, you don't have to spell it correctly. Do the best that you can. Number 5. Write the name of your city and state on this line. Again, you don't have to spell it correctly, just what city you live in and what state. So you'll write 2 words. Next is cause and effect. An effect is something that happens. That's an effect. A cause is what makes this effect happen. For example, Jordan planted seeds in the spring. That's the cause. What happened because Jordan planted seeds in the spring? What happened was the effect. Jordan had a beautiful garden that summer. If you can put the word because in front of the sentence and it makes sense, you know that is the cause. For example, because Jordan planted seeds in the spring, that's the cause. What happened? Jordan had a beautiful garden that summer. That's the effect. For number 6, if it is a cause, write C on the line. If it is an effect, write E on the line. Twan practiced his swing. The next one, Twan hit a home run. Which one can you put because in front of? And then, which one happened because of that? Put an E if something happened because of the other one. Put a C if you can put because in front of it. Because of this, put a C there. This happened, put an E. For numbers 7 and 8, we're going to go to the help pages. The help pages are in the back of the book. For this one, to find out the answers to 7 and 8, we're going to go to page 160. It's way in the back, right here. There's page 160, and there are pictures. Here's a picture of a mountain. Here's a picture of a valley. See that valley there? An island, a peninsula, plain, plateau, canyon. See the river going through it that caused the erosion that made this canyon? Desert, and coast, where the land meets the water. Okay? Number 7. Which of these words means a flat area of land? Mountain. Is a mountain a flat area of land? A valley, a river, or a plain? A flat area of land. So on page 160, let's look at a mountain. Is a mountain a flat area of land? Let's look at a valley. Is a valley a flat area of land? A river. Is a river a flat area of land? Or a plain? Is that a flat area of land? Circle either mountain, valley, river, or plain. That's not for you. We're going to do number 8. Which of these words means a body of moving water? So it's moving water, okay? Is a lake moving water? Are hills moving water? A river moving water? Or a peninsula moving water? Let's look up peninsula because that's a new word. Here's a peninsula right there. Is that moving water right here, the peninsula? Circle moving water, a lake, hills, a river, or a peninsula. When you are finished, put your pencil in your book and close your book.